Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an Instagram link in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add your Instagram link on. Scroll to where you want to add your Instagram link. First, you can add it simply by creating a text link. Check my Instagram. Let's make this title or this text bigger, centered, and let's add your link here. Instagram.com/profile, for example. Ben's Experience. You can also add something like this. Just go to insert and scroll down to social links and click on it. Fill in your Instagram profile link. Instagram.com/Ben's Experience. By the way, this Instagram is not mine. For popular social media links. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. For popular social media links, you don't have to upload your own icon. Google Sites will add it for you. Click on insert. As you can see, this is my Instagram. You can place it where you want, just like that. Let's preview these changes. Scroll down, and this is my Instagram text link, and this is my icon link. And this is how to add an Instagram link in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.